Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dash cams with 4K night vision that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kingslim E4 dashcam. This budget-friendly option packs impressive features for its price, including 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, with wide-angle lenses of 160 degrees in the front and 150 degrees in the rear. This camera ensures you capture every detail on the road. Its compact design makes it easy to install without obstructing your view. And the built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless connectivity to its app for managing video files and settings. While the Kingslim E4 performs well in daylight, its night vision capability is decent, but not as advanced as other models on this list. The camera features a G sensor that locks emergency files in case of sudden impacts, ensuring critical footage is saved and not overwritten. However, it lacks some premium features like HDR or WDR for enhanced low-light footage. The heat-resistant design is a nice touch, especially for those living in warmer climates, as it avoids the common issues of battery swelling or overheating. Overall, the Kingslim E4 is an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers who want essential dashcam functionality without breaking the bank. Its straightforward setup and reliable performance make it great for casual drivers looking for basic coverage. While it doesn't offer the advanced features of higher-end models, its price point and solid build quality make it a worthwhile entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the Tuisao J10 3-channel dashcam. If you're looking for all-around coverage, this triple camera setup is a fantastic choice. It records at 4K in the front, 1080p inside the cabin, and 1080p in the rear, offering comprehensive surveillance for your vehicle. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity enables swift video transfers and real-time previews using the REDTIGER app. The included 64GB SD card ensures you can start using it right out of the box without additional purchases. What sets the Tuisao J10 apart is its versatility. You can switch between 4K plus 1080p dual camera mode or use all 3 cameras simultaneously for maximum coverage. Its night vision capabilities are solid thanks to its optimized optics, though it doesn't feature advanced technologies like HDR or WDR. The parking mode and G sensor help capture critical events whether you're driving or parked. However, to enable 24-hour parking protection, you'll need a hardwire kit that's sold separately. This dashcam is ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone seeking extra security with interior monitoring. While it doesn't offer the most premium build quality, it delivers excellent value for its price and features. Installation is simple, and Tuisao's responsive customer support adds to its reliability. If you need a triple camera setup without spending a fortune, the J10 is definitely worth considering. At number 3, we have the GKU D600 dashcam. This dual camera setup captures 4K footage in the front and 1080p in the rear, providing crisp and detailed recordings. Equipped with WDR-enhanced night vision and an f1.8 aperture, it performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, capturing critical details with reliability. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures broad coverage, minimizing blind spots. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the GKU Go app make managing your footage effortless. You can quickly download videos, adjust settings, or share recordings on social media in just a few taps. The included 64GB SD card is a great value addition, eliminating the need for a separate purchase. Loop recording and G-sensor functionality ensure uninterrupted recording while protecting important files during accidents or impacts. The camera's heat-resistant design and compact form factor add to its durability and ease of installation. The GKU D600 shines as an excellent mid-range choice for everyday drivers. Its intuitive features, reliable performance, and robust build quality make it a strong contender for those seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. While it lacks interior monitoring, it excels in capturing front and rear footage with clarity and precision. If you want high-quality recordings without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. At number 2, the ROVE R2-4K dashcam stands out with its revolutionary super night vision technology, combining a Sony IMX335 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and 6-layer glass lens for stunning low-light performance. This dashcam records an Ultra HD 4K resolution with a 150-degree wide-angle lens to capture crystal-clear footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity allow for seamless integration with the ROVE app, making it easy to view, download, and share recordings. The ROVE R2-4K is designed with durability in mind, featuring a supercapacitor for enhanced reliability and heat resistance. Its compact design and windshield mount make installation straightforward, while advanced features like parking mode, time-lapse recording, and emergency video lock add layers of functionality. Though it doesn't include a memory card, it supports up to 512 gigabytes, giving you plenty of storage options. Ideal for tech-savvy users, the ROVE R2-4K offers premium features and robust performance at a competitive price. Its customer-centric approach, including free firmware updates and responsive support, ensures a smooth user experience. While it's slightly pricier than other models, its superior build quality and advanced features make it a worthy investment for anyone looking for top-tier dashcam performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the REDTIGER F7NP dashcam. This premium model features dual 4K plus 1080p recording, offering unmatched clarity for both the front and rear cameras. With a 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens, it captures wide-angle footage, ensuring no details are missed. Its superior night vision technology, including HDR, WDR, and a 6-layer optical lens with a large f1.5 aperture, delivers exceptional low-light performance, making it the best choice for nighttime driving. The REDTIGER F7NP is packed with features like built-in GPS for tracking routes and speed, Wi-Fi connectivity for app control, and a 24-hour parking mode for continuous surveillance. The included 32GB SD card allows for immediate use, while the G-sensor and loop recording ensure important files are preserved during collisions or impacts. Its sleek design and 3.18-inch IPS screen add to its premium feel, while the reliable build quality ensures long-term durability. This dashcam is perfect for drivers who want the best of the best. Despite its higher price tag, the REDTIGER F7NP offers unparalleled performance, advanced features, and a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who values top-tier security, this dashcam is worth every penny. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of quality and functionality, the REDTIGER F7NP easily takes the crown. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.